and review of the PixyCam. So when you first open the PixyCam, PixyCam should be first. Under there should be screws for mounting it onto like anything really. But in this tutorial, we're not really using it. So this is the main picture camera. There's the four main parts are the camera itself, this light indicator, a button, and this ribbon cable. So to start, you have to take an Arduino or Raspberry Pi and plug it in like that. Make sure that that the wire is always facing the outside and not the inside, because if it's facing the inside, it won't work. And then you have to plug your Arduino in. You have to plug your Arduino, and you have to also plug and you have to have you have to plug a high quality micro USB into your PixyCam on the side, so to give it power. It has to be high quality or it won't work. But it's okay. The PixyCam kit should come with one. Okay. Now on my computer, I'm using this the PixyCam program, and you can see that you can see that there's a lot of like s=2 stuff like that on it. To fix that, the reason why it's popping up like that because we haven't programmed it to do anything, or like we haven't like taught it stuff that we want it to remember. So to do it, you have to hold down the button, and you should see this light like changing color. Each color equals like a different and then so you just stop on a color. So let's do red. So red is red, and then now you put the thing you want to put like this. You can see it on my camera, and it looks like that. Click the button, and now you can see called s=1, and everything else is s=2. It's kind of cool. It's equal here, s=1 like that. To name it, and like you can go to settings, signature label. So s=1. So let's call it orange paper. So then you press apply. And now, one sec. And now it should be applied. And now if you look at the paper and look like this, orange paper. Isn't that cool? Thank you for coming to this tutorial. If you want to learn more, you can go to the PixyCam website. This is the thing. If you want to buy, it's also on there. Thank you for coming, and the next tutorial will be on how to code it, and thank you for coming. Bye.